Welcome back to Kingna, where we dive into classic cars that are perfect for enthusiasts or anyone looking for a new project. Today, we've got 10 budget-friendly classics, many of which are in run-and-drive condition. Let's jump in. 1983 Jeep Grand Wagoneer, $2,300, location Kennett Square, mileage 158,110 miles. This 1983 Jeep Grand Wagoneer is available for $2,300. The vehicle runs and drives but will require some work to be road ready. The seller has only driven it around the block. However, the brakes function and the transmission shifts smoothly. It's described as being mostly rust-free, with the floors already patched and a rear lower quarter cutout. A patch panel is included. The frame is solid, making it a great candidate for restoration. Notably, this Grand Wagoneer is a limited edition with a rare OEM sunroof and once had a vinyl top. The interior is sparse with late model front seats installed, but overall it's a solid vehicle that can be back on the road with some effort. 2. Stott 1976 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2-door, located in Worthington Springs, Florida. Here's a 1976 Chevy Camaro, a car that screams muscle and style. The second-generation Camaro underwent several updates during the mid-70s to stay competitive, and this one's been driven regularly. The owner mentions it needs some work, especially around the frame and possibly the carburetor, but it's a solid runner and would make an excellent project. The current owner drove it daily for a month, proving that despite its age, it's still kicking. With its iconic Camaro body lines and muscle car spirit, it's a piece of American history just waiting to be revived. 3. 1982 Plymouth Grand Fury, $2,500. Located in Spencer, Tennessee, this 1982 Plymouth Grand Fury is an ex-highway patrol car, packed with a 3.18 V8 engine and running well. The Grand Fury was a popular police vehicle during the late 70s and early 80s, known for its durability and power. It's been well maintained with new parts including the water pump, fuel pump, and tires, all with less than 50 miles on them. The sirens and lights still work, making this a head-turner at any car meet. A classic cruiser with a piece of law enforcement history. 4. 1978 Ford Ranchero, $2,800. Located in Crown Point, New York. The 1978 Ford Ranchero is a unique mix of car and truck, making it a versatile and iconic ride. Ford first introduced the Ranchero in the late 1950s, and by the time this 78 model came around, it had evolved into a muscle-bound utility vehicle. This one comes with a 302 V8 engine and a 9-inch rear. While the gas tank needs replacing due to rust, it's an easy fix. And with a bit of bodywork, and you could bring this classic utility car back to its former glory. Perfect for someone looking for a cool project that stands out from the typical classic cars. 5. 1980 Chevrolet Malibu, $2,500. Located in Harriman, Tennessee, this 1980 Chevy Malibu comes with a 355 engine and a newly rebuilt transmission. The Malibu of this era was popular for its balance of performance and style, making it a sought-after classic today. This one does need a bit of tinkering, like adjusting the starter, but it runs and drives ready to be taken to the next level by a dedicated restorer. A solid starting point for anyone wanting to own a piece of Chevrolet history. 6. 1973 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 2-door, $2,500. Located in Hollywood, Maryland. Next, we have a 1973 Corvette Stingray, one of the most recognizable American sports cars. This was the last year for the chrome front bumper, and it's an era when the Corvette was transitioning to a more modern, sleek design. While this one needs work, it's priced to sell. It doesn't come with a title, but is a project car that could be a fantastic restoration for someone with the right skills. Number 7. Scud 1985 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Sedan 4-door, $1,600. Located in Zephyr Hills, Florida. The Chevrolet Caprice is an icon of the 1980s, often seen as a luxury cruiser. This 1985 Caprice Classic has a stock engine with only 41,000 original miles. It runs, but will need some love to get it back to daily driver condition. With a little work, this car could become a smooth-running showpiece or a reliable daily driver. The low mileage makes it a real find for any classic car enthusiast. 8. Sir 1977 Buick Lasaber Custom Sedan 4-door, $1,000. Located in Plant City, Florida. Here's a 1977 Buick Lasaber, an affordable classic that could be an easy project for the right buyer. Buick was known for offering comfort and style, and the Lasaber was no exception. This one is equipped with an Oldsmobile engine, a common swap back in the day. The owner mentions the air conditioning worked the last time it was started, though it will need to be towed as it hasn't been driven in a while. At just $1,000, it's a budget-friendly entry into the world of classic Buicks. 9. 1973 Pontiac Lumin SE Aero Coupe 2-door 600, located in Orlando, Florida. The 1973 Pontiac Lumin Aero Coupe is a rare gem, especially in the classic car community. The Lumin SE was known for its sleek, aerodynamic design, and it often shared parts with the famous Pontiac GTO. This one is rough, but it comes with a 400 big block engine, a strong performer back in its day. The engine was running when parked, and the owner even offers free delivery within the Orlando area. It's a great deal for anyone ready to take on a serious project and breathe new life into this classic muscle car. 10. 1966 Mercury Marauder Sedan 4-door, $2,800. Located in Macon, Georgia. Lastly, we have a 1966 Mercury Marauder, a classic full-size sedan that oozes mid-60s charm. The Marauder was Mercury's answer to the high-performance luxury car market, offering a smooth ride with serious V8 power. This one was parked 5 years ago in Alabama, but the engine has great compression and should run with just a few minor tweaks. The grille and other parts that are missing in the photos are safely stored in the trunk. It's a fantastic candidate for restoration, and at $2,800, it's a classic that won't break the bank. That wraps up today's list of classic cars. From muscle-bound Chevys to a rare Pontiac Le Mans, there's something here for every enthusiast. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to Kingna for more great classic car finds. See you in the next video.